We're at the old jail in St. Augustine. We're in the cell that was solitary confinement. It was pretty gruesome. We're setting up now. We're going to do EVP session. And we got the full spectrum cam set up. I'm going to take a few shots. Temperature dropped.
Right here. Can you tell us your name? If you're feeling uncomfortable, you click open. Whoa. Wow. Holy shit. And you're talking to about that one. Whoa. Wow. Holy shit. And you're talking to about that one.
So we didn't think that we captured any EVPs inside the jail cell, but after we got back from our trip and Joe went through the footage and some of the video recordings, we captured this. Are you male or female? Are you male or female? So this is about the time we head up to the warden's bedroom upstairs. Hello. Hello.
Who's that with us? Did you touch any of the other devices on the table?
What's that cat pool?
Yeah.
You know, that's the third time it went off on that same spot. We haven't moved, and that's a different ball. Because we left and came back.
That ball is the one that...
What the fuck?
As soon as I hit...
What?
As soon as it starts, as soon as the recording starts, right?
Check the board.
Check the board. What board are you asking us to check?
Yeah, we're picking up.
Oh, no. Do me a favor. When the next investigation comes in, you guys keep doing your thing.
Really?
Yep, just stay in here, or in the jail, whatever. I'm not confined to this one room. But obviously you guys are finding some stuff. I'm going to let you go ahead and keep
We
doing
just
your
caught
thing.
EVP of get out.
Oh, yeah. That happens all the time in this room. That happens all the time in this room.
Yeah.
Sounds angry.
Yeah. So go ahead and keep doing your thing. We're going to wrap down the kitchen. I'll be back in here in a little bit, but you guys just keep going on with
All
your
right.
thing, okay?
Cool.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much. I appreciate that.
Oh. It works.
Good.
You're the shit out of
You're
me.
fine. Thank you so much. That's awesome.
Yeah, of course. You guys need things, let me know, okay?
Will do. Looks like we got a little bit more time to hang out with you, Warden. Hey, look.
No, I'm watching it.
Okay, all right. There was another EVP that we captured that we did not notice until we reviewed the recordings. So, Warden Joe Perry was disliked for overpopulating the jail and subjecting the inmates to some extremely harsh conditions because he was subcontracting out the prisoners for labor to Henry Flagler to construct a lot of the roads and buildings around St. Augustine. With this information, I used it to try to see if I could trigger a response. And this is what we heard.
Warden, I think that was a good idea. I know a lot of people were mad at you. I think that was a good idea. I know a lot of people were mad at you.
That's so dope.
That is awesome.
Alright,
So she said, wait, hold on, Abby?
Yes.
You said
in here, right?
the guard tower is what?
Yeah, I'm assuming they mean the doors. There's boards inside talking about the hangings of Sid Jackson and a few other people.
Maybe it's that. Check the board. That makes a lot of sense.
We got,
Do you want to grab our stuff? Yeah. I mean, we're getting good shit in there. Let's do an easy position in here. We'll leave all the stuff. I don't know if I should leave this camera rolling in there to see if we have catch stuff while we're out, because sometimes that happens.
oh, yeah. We were, in the warden's bedroom, did an EVP. We got some activity. We heard, check the board. So we talked to one of the local historians over here that she said come in here to the watchtower, and you got all the victims or people that died here, and some gruesome photos of some actual hangings. Noose, some stuff here. So here we are, and we're gonna see what's next.
George Hawkins, July 2nd, 1909.
Like a little short legged.
Eugene Baxter, Steve Johnson, and Tom White, May 31st, 1912.
There goes. You said Tom White.
If any of you are here with us right now, can you come and tell us here in this little device in my hand?